Hello, hi everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the AI insight in Odoo 19 CRM module. Let's move on to the CRM module and let's create a new lead. So here you can fill out the details of the company. The company is Cybrosys Technologies, and once it's done, you can provide the contact. So let's provide contact over here and let's create and click on edit. So here we have the option to check the AI computer chances details. So this would allow you to calculate winning of a lead into sales. So the negative thing is that it's been in the new stage and does not have a valid email. Now let me set a valid email over here. So once the email is provided, you can see that the chances of converting this lead into um, a sale will be high and the probability is now just turned. Now, if you can provide the other chances, the expected revenue, let me provide the expected revenue as well as the monthly revenue over here. And you can choose the period. And as you just save the changes that you have made, again, you can find the calculation. And here you can see that the top positive is that it has got a valid email, but still it is in new stage. Okay, now let me change it into qualified. As you just change this stage into qualified, now you can see that there is 99.81 percentage of winning this lead into a sales. Now let's change it as proposition, and again you can find that yeah, it's in the same chance of winning it into a sales. Upon moving on to the one stage, you can see that 100 percentage of converting this lead into a sales. So let's click on one, and here you can see that the AI probability is being just disappeared from the interface. So this is one of the new feature that you can find in Odoo 19 CRM. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.